In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2013 MCQ, that is, if omega is an imaginary root of unity, then 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7 equal to solution, that is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. It means sum of cube root of unity equal to 0. So take omega square, so minus omega square equal to 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega square, so substitute, that is minus omega square, 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega square whole power 7 is equal to minus 2 omega square whole power 7, so minus 2 power 7 is equal to minus 128 omega 2 power 7, so omega to 7 times is 14. Omega 14 can also be written in the form of omega power 12 dot omega square. So omega 12 can also be written in the form of omega 3 whole power 4. So omega cube is equal to 1. 1 power 4 is equal to 1. So which is equal to minus 128 omega square. So option D is correct, that is minus 128 omega square. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.